We stand at the cusp of a new era in finance. The landscape of trading is evolving at an unprecedented pace, driven by the relentless march of technology. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we trade. No longer confined to the realms of theoretical research, AI is now a practical tool that is reshaping financial markets. AI trading bots are no longer the realm of science fiction. These sophisticated systems are capable of analyzing vast amounts of data in real time, making split-second decisions that can mean the difference between profit and loss. They are powerful tools available to everyone. From individual traders to large financial institutions, AI is leveling the playing field, providing unprecedented access to advanced trading strategies. Imagine a tireless assistant, analyzing markets and executing trades. This assistant never sleeps, never gets tired, and can process information at lightning speed. This is the promise of AI trading bots. They offer the potential to revolutionize the way we approach trading, making it more efficient, accurate, and accessible. In this guide, we will embark on a journey that will take us through the fascinating world of AI trading, from the basics to the advanced techniques. We will learn how to create our own AI trading bots. This involves understanding the underlying principles of AI, as well as the practical steps needed to build and deploy these systems. Along the way, we will demystify complex concepts. We will break down the jargon and make the technology accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. We will break down the process into manageable steps. Each step will be clearly explained, with practical examples to help you understand and apply the concepts. By the end, you will have the knowledge to start your own AI trading adventure. You will be equipped with the skills and confidence to build, train, and test your own AI trading bots. This guide will focus on 3 key stages: building, training, and testing. Each stage is crucial to the development of a successful AI trading bot. Building involves setting up the environment and writing code. This is the foundation of your AI trading bot, where you will define its structure and capabilities. Training is about teaching the bot to make smart decisions. This involves feeding it data and using machine learning algorithms to help it learn from past experiences. Testing ensures our bot can handle real-world market conditions. This is where we put our bot to the test, simulating different market scenarios to see how it performs. Let's dive in and explore the exciting world of AI trading. An AI trading bot is like a tireless stockbroker, working 24/7. Unlike human traders who need rest and can be influenced by emotions, these bots operate around the clock, ensuring that no trading opportunity is missed. They are designed to continuously monitor the market, analyze data, and make decisions based on predefined algorithms. It analyzes market data, identifies opportunities, and executes trades. The bot scans through vast amounts of financial data, including stock prices, trading volumes, and historical trends, to identify patterns and potential opportunities. This process is much faster and more accurate than manual analysis, allowing the bot to make informed decisions in real time. It follows a set of predefined rules and learns from past experiences. These rules are based on complex algorithms that have been developed and tested by financial experts. Over time, the bot can adapt and improve its strategies by learning from past trades, making it more effective and efficient. But unlike human traders, bots are not influenced by emotions. They don't experience fear, greed, or panic, which can often lead to poor decision-making. Instead, they rely solely on data and logic, ensuring that every trade is made with a clear and rational mindset. They make decisions based on data and logic. This data-driven approach eliminates the risk of human error and biases, leading to more consistent and reliable trading outcomes. The bot's ability to process and analyze large datasets quickly gives it a significant advantage over human traders. This eliminates human error and allows for faster, more efficient trading. The bot can execute trades in milliseconds, taking advantage of even the smallest market movements. This speed and efficiency are crucial in the fast-paced world of stock trading, where timing can make all the difference. Every AI trading bot has 4 key components: a data source, a trading strategy, an execution engine, and a risk management system. Each of these components plays a vital role in the bot's overall performance and effectiveness. The data source provides the bot with market information, like stock prices and trading volume. This information is crucial for the bot to make informed decisions. The data source can include real-time market feeds, historical data, and other relevant financial information. The trading strategy tells the bot when to buy and sell. This strategy is based on a set of rules and algorithms that have been carefully developed and tested. It takes into account various factors such as market trends, price movements, and trading volumes to determine the best times to enter and exit trades. The execution engine carries out the trades. Once the bot identifies a trading opportunity, the execution engine ensures that the trade is executed quickly and accurately. This component is responsible for placing buy and sell orders, managing trade positions, and ensuring that all transactions are completed efficiently. The risk management system protects the bot from significant losses. It monitors the bot's trading activities and ensures that risks are kept within acceptable limits. This system includes various tools and techniques such as stop-loss orders, position sizing, and diversification to minimize potential losses and protect the bot's capital. Understanding these components is crucial for building a successful AI trading bot. By knowing how each component works and how they interact with each other, you can develop a bot that is not only effective, but also resilient and adaptable to changing market conditions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, mastering these fundamentals will give you a solid foundation for success in the world of AI trading. Before we start building, we need the right tools. Our workshop will be built on Python, a versatile programming language. Python is widely used in data science and finance. It's beginner-friendly and boasts a vast collection of libraries. These libraries are like pre-built toolboxes, simplifying complex tasks. To get started, download and install Python from the official website. Once installed, we'll use pip, Python's package installer, to add specialized libraries. We'll need libraries for data manipulation, scientific computing, and machine learning. Some essential libraries include Pandas, NumPy, scikit-learn, and TensorFlow. With these tools in our arsenal, we're ready to build our AI trading bot. Fueling your bot data acquisition and preparation. In this section, we will delve into the critical steps of gathering and preparing data, which are essential for the success of your AI trading bot. Data is the lifeblood of any AI trading bot. Without a steady stream of accurate and relevant data, your bot would be flying blind, unable to make informed decisions. It's what the bot learns from and makes decisions on. The quality and quantity of data directly impact the bot's performance and accuracy in predicting market trends. We need access to historical market data to train our bot. Historical data provides the foundation upon which the bot can learn patterns and behaviors of the market over time. This data includes stock prices, trading volumes, and other relevant market indicators. These indicators help the bot understand the market's past behavior and predict future movements. Thankfully, numerous sources provide this data. From financial websites to specialized data providers, there is no shortage of places to gather the information needed. We can obtain this data through APIs, or application programming interfaces. APIs are tools that allow us to access and retrieve data from various providers programmatically. APIs allow us to connect to financial data providers and download historical data. This automated process ensures that we can gather large volumes of data efficiently and accurately. Popular providers like Yahoo Finance and Alpha Vantage offer free and paid APIs. These platforms provide a wealth of data that can be used to train and test your trading bot. Once we have the data, we need to prepare it for our bot. Raw data is often messy and needs to be cleaned and organized before it can be used effectively. This involves cleaning the data, handling missing values, and converting it into a format suitable for machine learning algorithms. Data cleaning ensures that errors and inconsistencies are removed, making the data more reliable. This process is crucial for ensuring the bot receives accurate and reliable information. Proper data preparation can significantly enhance the bot's ability to make accurate predictions and execute trades effectively. In summary, data acquisition and preparation are foundational steps in building a successful AI trading bot. By ensuring that your data is accurate, comprehensive, and well-prepared, you set the stage for your bot to perform at its best. With the right data and proper preparation, your AI trading bot will be well equipped to navigate the complexities of the financial markets and achieve your trading goals. Crafting your winning strategy. From simple to AI-powered, the heart of any trading bot is its strategy. This strategy dictates when to buy, sell, or hold an asset. We'll start with a simple moving average crossover strategy. This strategy generates buy and sell signals based on the crossing of two moving averages. It's a good starting point for understanding how trading strategies work. However, we can enhance this strategy with the power of AI. Instead of just using past prices, we can incorporate other factors. These include news sentiment, social media trends, and economic indicators. By training a machine learning model on this data, we can predict future price movements with higher accuracy. This allows our bot to make more informed trading decisions. Building the brain AI model. Training 101. Now we'll build the brain of our bot, the AI model. This model will analyze market data and make trading decisions based on our chosen strategy. There are various machine learning models suitable for this task. These include linear regression, support vector machines, and neural networks. The choice of model depends on the complexity of our strategy and the amount of data available. We'll split our data into two sets, training and testing. We train the model on the training data, allowing it to learn patterns and relationships. We then evaluate its performance on the testing data, which the model has never seen before. This helps us assess how well our model will generalize to new unseen data in the real market. Backtesting, taking your strategy for a test drive. Before deploying our bot, we need to ensure it works as intended. This is where backtesting comes in. Backtesting involves simulating our strategy on historical data. It's like taking our bot for a test drive before letting it loose on the open road. We run our bot on past market data and observe its performance. We look at metrics like profitability, maximum drawdown, and win-loss ratio. Backtesting helps us identify potential flaws in our strategy and fine-tune it for better performance. It's crucial to remember that past performance is not indicative of future results. However, backtesting provides valuable insights and helps us make more informed decisions. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment, and subscribe to our channel.